What's up, everyone? So this is the next triangle congruences. So they are angle side angle and angle angle side. Angle side angle is ASA. It says if two angles and the included side of one triangle are congruent to the two angles and the included side of another triangle, then those two triangles are congruent. Now, the way they're going to look in picture format is like this. So let's say we have two triangles. So again, angle, side, angle. So we have two angles. Here's an angle. There's another angle. Here's an angle. There's another angle. And again, it just has one little arc, one little arc. That 2 means it goes to this 2. So the side, where is the side that needs to be included? Here are my two angles. What side is here? This one. So put a little mark there for the side. Here are my two angles. What side is it? This one. Angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. And then, of course, there's other ways it can look as well. I'm pretty sure you all understand this, but still, if these are the angles, then the side should be here and the side should be here. That'd be angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. As long as the side is in between the two angles, it's not too difficult to understand this one. And the next one is AAS. That stands for angle, angle, side. Or it can also be SAA, and I'll be side, angle, angle. It's the same thing, just depends which way you're going to read it. And this one means, or the definition is if two angles and the non-included side of one triangle is congruent to the two angles and the non-included side of another triangle, then those two triangles are congruent. A picture of that would be something like, again, it's angle, angle, side. So we have two angles. And the side, not here, because that would be the other one, angle, side, angle. So it can be this side, or it could be this one. So if it wasn't there, you could also put it here. It doesn't matter. That's still angle, angle, side. So it doesn't matter which one is going to be. We'll put it there. Over here, angle, angle. As long as it's not this one, you want to pick this one, that's okay. These two angles are congruent. The two triangles are congruent. As long as it's off to the side, it's not in between them. Now, something I just thought about. Probably going to see it though. Let's say you have two triangles like this. And you have and ask, are those two triangles congruent? Well, this is S, 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 so this is side, 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 and this one is angle, side, angle, this is A, S, A. Are these two triangles congruent? Well, I mean, side, 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 that's one of our triangle congruences. And angle, side, angle, that's another one. So are these two triangles congruent? No. Because one is side, 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 and the other is angle, side, angle. They both have to be the same. If they're not the same, then they're not congruent. Even though they both work independently, they have to be the same. So be careful with that. And then another side note is going to be that does not work either. We have a side, we have a side, we have an angle. Ugh. So this triangle congruence does not work. And for those of you who can spell, S as A, side, side, angle does not work. And for those of you who know how to spell it backwards, it spells AS. There is no AS in geometry. That does not work as well. So if you see it on your paper, laugh about it, whatever, giggle. But it doesn't work. That is not a triangle congruence. We have side, angle, side. We have side, side, side. We have angle, side, angle. And we have angle, angle, side, or side, angle, angle. Those are the four that work for now until we get to the right triangle. That's next time. So, how are you going to see it on your work? Alright, so these two questions. Actually, I'm going to go over 10 of them, I think, for you, that you understand how I work at this, that you understand what I'm doing here. So, here, which of them is congruent? And just so you know, we didn't go over side, side, side today, but it doesn't matter. We already went over side, side, side. That means it can be the answer today. So can side, angle, side. So all of them can be answers now. Alright, so in this scenario, we have a side, we have an angle. I have nothing else in this triangle. Do not make other marks because they are not touching. Since I only have A and S, if I had another A, I could work, but it doesn't. There's nothing else here. S and A are not part of the ones I just listed over here. These are the only ones we can choose from. And since we only have an S and an A, that doesn't work, which means they're not congruent. Alright, over here. This is like a bow tie, I think about it. They are touching at an angle, so I can put a little marker here. So this here is an angle. Here's a side. Here's another angle. Does angle side angle work? Yes. Good. Now check the bottom triangle, see if it works there. You need to check both. Angle, that's a side, that's an angle. That works. So it's angle side angle. Alright, in this question, just ignore this symbol here because, yeah, whatever. Anyways. So, right here, that's an angle symbol. This is a side symbol, and this is another angle symbol. ASA, does that work? Yes. Check the next triangle. This is an angle symbol. That's a side, and this is another angle symbol. Angle side angle, that works. Answer is A. And number 4. This is the bow tie question. And when they touch like this is a free angle marker for you to put. So, the 90 degrees is an angle. This is an angle. And this is a side. Angle, angle, side. Yeah, that works. Check this one. This is an angle. This is an angle. And the side's over here. The side's off to a side, so yes, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Alright, number 5 here. They are touching here. They're touching at a side, so this is a free side symbol for you to add here. So in this triangle on the left, we have an angle. If it's 90 here, then it's 90 here. That's another angle. And this is a side. Okay, angle, angle, side, that works. Over here, we have an angle. 90 degrees is an angle. And that's a side. Angle, angle, side. Alright, number 6 here. What information is missing to make this be angle side angle? First, the triangles are touching at a side, so this is a free side for you to put a symbol. Now, make it be angle side angle. In the triangle on the left, I have an angle already. This is a side marker symbol. I need the other angle. I cannot put it over here because it's not going to work. I need the angle up here. This angle right here. This angle is either going to be EVU, that's one way to name it, or it's going to be UVE, one of those. Now we look at the right triangle. I have an angle right here. I have a side. I need another angle. It's the bottom one right there. And that'll make angle side angle. So this bottom angle is VUW. That's not VW, whatever. Or it's WUV. So we just find the answer that matches and we're good. Here we go. WUV and EVU. Answer A. For number 7. That's number 7. Make these triangles be angle side angle. First, it's the bow tie. So add a symbol right here. Add a symbol right there. So, make it be angle side angle. Here's my angle. Here's the other angle. The side has to be in the middle. So it has to be this side right here. This side is VE. Or it can also be EV. This one. Make it the bottom triangle. Make it be angle side angle. This is an angle. This is an angle. My side has to be in the middle. So we need this side right here. So we need E to D or DE, whatever, same thing. So DE and VE. Answer is A. Number 8. Make this be angle side angle. First, they are touching at a side, so that's a free side. Here is my angle for the left triangle. Here is my side. I need the angle up here, this one. And it's IKJ, or it's going to be JKI. Now we do the right triangle. We have an angle. We have a symbol. We need the bottom angle here. This bottom angle is KJL, or it will be LJK. So we just find that. So right here, LJK is right here, IKJ is right there. That should be D. And the last two questions. Right, so number 9. Wants you to make these two triangles congruent by angle, angle, side. So, first, these triangles are touching at a side. Now, angle, angle, side. It can either be, we already have an angle here. We need one more angle. Well, which one? Is it this one or this one? It can be either one. So, a lot of choices here. If it's this angle, it's RST. Or it's TSR. Or if we don't choose that angle, we choose this angle over here, then it's RTS. Or it's STR. So any of those choices work for the first part. Now for the right triangle, we have an angle, we have a side. We need the angle to be, any one of the other angles will work. We put it here, that would work. If it's up here, the angle would be TSV or VST. If we don't choose the top angle, if we say it can be this bottom angle, then it's VTS or STV. And now we just look at the answer choice and see which one matches. And look closely at letter A. RST is right here. VTS is right here. So that works. Or STR right there. And TSV right there. So letter A. So number 10. Number 10 can be angle, side, angle. Well, it has to be angle, side, angle, sorry. These triangles are not touching, so don't make any marks on it yet. Only what they're asking for. So we have an angle. We have another angle. I need the side. The side here in the middle. This angle, this side is GH. Or HG, whatever. This one up here on the right, that's an angle. That's an angle. I need my side in the middle, so it has to be this side, which is going to be YX or XY. HG, YX. And 10 is letter D. And that's pretty much your work today. And you're going to get work from side, 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 angle, side, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. And then you just work on the 35 or 45 questions, whatever you all have, and that's it. Alright, see y'all later.